Hey, what's up, Zilliqa holders? This is live price predication of Zilliqa. Absolutely going good result. You can see here. This is absolutely good change of last 2 hour result. Okay, so let's go to the 1 hour result. If we check it out, the last 1 hour result, I hope they are also good. So don't forget to subscribe button for latest news. I updating you anytime. Okay, for any highest change. Okay, so let's see the highest change of Zilliqa is absolutely going good. This is 0.1624 US dollars. This is absolutely going good result. This is absolutely highest change. Okay, the change of Zilliqa plus 0.94%, absolutely good change, and the last 1 hour result. Okay, so thank you so much, yeah. This is very good. This is I think this is good time for selling of Zilliqa holders, please sell it. This is absolutely going good result. I don't know what happened at the next hour, but okay, this is, let's see the 12. Check it out, the last 12-hour result. If you check it out, the last 12-hour result, the last 12-hour change is absolutely going bad. You can see here, this is not saying time, but the highest change is absolutely good. So the change of last 12-hour is 0.49%. This is very bad. This is very bad for Zilliqa holders. So don't forget to subscribe button for latest news. I updating you anytime, any hour. Please like video if you like, and for communication just comment us. I reply you anytime because I am also Zilliqa holders. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.